Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file in an injector. First, let's understand the fundamental concept of injecting configurations from external files. This approach significantly enhances your application's flexibility and maintainability, allowing for easy updates without code changes. We will cover the essential steps to prepare your application to effectively consume these file-based settings, ensuring a robust and adaptable system. This method is crucial for managing dynamic application behaviors. Next, we focus on crafting your configuration file. It is vital to select an appropriate format, like JSON for structured data, YAML for readability, or a simple properties file. Organize your configuration data logically, perhaps grouping related settings, to ensure clarity and ease of use. Finally, ensure the file is placed in an accessible location, such as a designated configuration directory, for your application to retrieve it during startup or runtime. Now, let's discuss building the file loader. You will need to develop a specific component responsible for reading the chosen configuration file from its location. This component then parses the raw data, transforming it into strongly typed configuration objects that your application can readily use. Remember to implement robust error handling mechanisms to gracefully manage scenarios like missing files or malformed data, ensuring application stability. Finally, we integrate these configurations with your injector. Register the loaded and parsed configuration objects with your dependency injection framework. This step makes them available for injection into any component that declares a dependency on them. Clearly define how your application components will receive these settings, typically through constructor injection. Always verify that the configurations are correctly injected and utilized across your entire application, ensuring proper behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.